Where are you going? Where are you going? Huh? Where are you going? It's commercial. I turn off the volume. Yeah. I turned off the volume. Hey, what's that? You want the camera? No? No? Give my slipper back to me. Come on. Come on, get my slipper. Come on. Spenny. Spenny, get my slipper. Come on. Hey. See, don't pick your nose, sweetie. Don't pick your nose. Get my slipper. There. There. There, you brought my slipper there. Over there. Over there, huh? Yeah. What? Yeah. What's that? Pick your nose. Pick your ears. Hello. Hi, mister. Get my slipper, mister. Hello, Mr. Harvey. Can you get my slipper, please? Please get my slipper. Please. Mr. Harvey, can you get my slipper, please? You stole my slipper. What happened to our camera?